Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest. To tell you in this tutorial is how to recover your Gmail password without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. Yes, here is the best step is to the rescue of your Gmail password in case you lost your Gmail password, forgot your Gmail password, or you have lost your device, and due to that you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that you can easily rescue or reset your Gmail password. Here is a little bit exceptional case. This viewer was recommended to the rescue this hour because he's not in the position to the rescue. He doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. That's a basic reason. He spontaneously has lost his device, and due to that it's happened this kind of the problem. So especially he is recommended to rescue because there is some private data concern. So by common method we are having the problem that if you would like to recover this account, then of course answer is questions on second is that if account is managed with a family link, family alternative recovery email, so we don't have a especially here the password, we don't have a last password, and when we tap on a both and then here is the function that phone, we don't have a phones. So the common is that this kind of the error is the coming. Error is not, it's just function that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be the show. So the quickly don't click on it again here, just do a similar strategy in front of you live. I will show you that how you easily recover without especially phone number, password, of course, or recovery emails. Here is a special app browser. Just we will have to install it. Scarcely a 7 MB it is total size. Now here two things that is very crucial guys that we will have to execute on a time. Just we will have to hold this especially G browser, and of course we will click on here, and when we tap then here is the locations notification we will have to make, and then we will have to only when they change the precise locations make it off. So we will come to locations, yes we will make it off, then click on here, so no longer function as intended. This will be happens. Now second thing what we will have to do, just we will have to hold this Chrome browser, and this thing only once also will have to do because as we know that this is also the product of Google, so we cannot tag the risk of. Check it out how many browser is functioning. Do it similar things on every one. Now we will come the location, similar, make it the precise location of, and click here, don't allow NB. So these things I have done completely now. Now what we will do guys here, just we will click on here too. Now here what we will do, just simply we will come on a especially Google help option guys. Let's see. So just we will write Google help, let's type on here, and just we will go for here without making delay. So we will come on our first links and see how what's going to happen. Here it's related to Gmail as we know that. So here what we will do, just simply we will click on a special sign in. When we tap on a sign in, so then what will happens, there is asking the special Gmail that we will have to. So let's see. Yes, we will go for, let's pick on this side files. Now here is your options to is click on it next. When we tap on the next, so what's the function that we will click on a forgot. So when we tap on a forgets, now here is asking the last password. Files we will give, so no problem at all. Just we will go with try another way. We don't have a special last password. So now here see. Now what we will give here, more tips to recover these accounts. Here is a thing to use a familiar Wi-Fi network such as at home or works. Sign the user device where we have to sign in before both is a very valid point. That is more tips to recover this account. So we will pick this one, don't click on here. We will take assistance, Google Assistant. Google will recover itself especially. So tap on a setting, and when we tap on a setting, what's going to happen guys here? Let's see. Live I would like to show you how. Just here we will have options that Google here services and preferences. Just we will have to tap on, and simply we will have options that is especially help option. When we tap on a help option, then what's going to happen here? Let's see. When we tap on and see here, it's a little bit taking time. If it is taking time, so then what we will do, just a little back, so because mistakenly you have did another, of course, feedback, etc. Just we will have to pick this help option. So now it came here. See, now what we will have to do, just simply we will have to explain that this device lost and stolen upper parts. Just so that we can see here, this one's click on it, and when we tap on a lost and stolen, then what we will do here, we have options that especially fix this issues. When we tap on it, then see we can is sign out and the lost and the stolen device. Here is especially change your Google accounts, use backups, especially target, especially sign in from the trusted device, get a new and recover your account. So just we will pick this one. Here is the tips to other completes in these accounts, and when we tap on it, now the magically what will happen, guys, here check it out, there should be only two option and the below of that. Here it is getting a replacement, otherwise the getting these things. Now here is a special recovery page, and see what's going to happen here, guys. When we tap on it, yes, recovery page, just click on this arrow here. So now this page will be opens. Now directly we would be here, and simply, guys, don't make it delay, just click on to next and see what's going to happen. Now here what you see here, magics happens, guys. Here easily you can recover of anyone ID. See, I'm saying you in front of you, guys. Here is a continue option, here is a special update password. Blindly you can recover. So right now here we have a don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be a trap in it verify you, because you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. So here simply we will click update password, and when we taps, now we have a here strong offers unity to the creates the strong password, and upon when we click on a strong password, confirms new password and go for save it. When we save it, then what will happens? Yes, you will have to go in a manage your Google accounts, their security and security, remove smartly, yes, recovery phone number by adding a alternative email. Firstly we will have to add alternative email as a recovery, and after having on that, of course, so that we can remove, we will be eligible to of course remove or terminate the recovery phone number and the phone. After having that, what we will do, you know that we will add a new number. This account will be a permanently secure. This is a clue or default, so I don't know anything, so but of course you can rescue by the simplest status, guys, that I recovered the many special accounts on the web. This is all about. So how to like these tutorials, of course let me notify, yes, let me especially have the information of your feedbacks and that how it is, and it has the benefit to you in any way. That don't forget like, subscribe and share this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make it such as informative tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye, love you.